Hello, welcome to my website. My name is Tiffany Stanley and I'm a licensed professional counselor and supervisor, as well as an ASAT certified sex therapist, and also a PhD student in clinical sexology. I'd like to spend a little time with you today just to talk to you about what are some of the common reasons why individuals or couples attend sex therapy. So sex therapy has been around for about 40 or 50 years, and it is like any other form of therapy. However, the therapist is specialized in the area of sexual functioning, and that can be emotional, psychological concerns related to sex, but also physical functioning related to sex. So the individuals or couples that attend sex therapy are often struggling with issues that most often they've tried to sort through on their own but have been unsuccessful, and so now they're seeking help. Those issues may be related to things such as desire, where an individual may feel a lack of desire towards sex or a lack of desire towards sex with their partner. Or you may have a couple where the two individuals within that partnership have a very different preference of sexual frequency or even sexual style. So there may be a sexual dissatisfaction happening within a couple. Sometimes individuals or couples come to sex therapy because they're working through sexual trauma that they experienced earlier in their life, and they're coming to find that it's affecting their current relationships or even how they see or feel about themselves as a sexual being. Sometimes individuals come to sex therapy for support and help through the processes of gender identity concerns or transitioning gender. I also see individuals struggling with postpartum depression or postpartum anxiety or both, or a couple or an individual within a couple that is going through the process of infertility and dealing with the effects that infertility can have on one's self-esteem, trust in their body, and even the relationship, the partnership. That can also become very strained when going through the process of infertility. There are many sexual related issues for why individuals or couples attend sex therapy. But the important thing to understand is that sex therapy is a form of therapy like any other type of therapy. However, the therapist is very trained and is certified, licensed, or has a degree in the sexual functioning of the human. So it is very important. I really encourage anyone who's seeking sex therapy to be very diligent about researching and making sure that the therapist that they are working with is in fact specialized, trained, and certified in sex therapy. I hope that this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to check out my website. You'll find many other videos as well as links to different books, even links to other websites that have great information. And my hope is that you'll find it informative, that it will be helpful, and your questions can be answered. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you the very best.